Okay, I've been a resident of the Villaggio community in Florida since its inception 13 years ago. During that period of time, I've had numerous contractors come to my house and work on taking the travertine in my backyard and around the side, cleaning it and sealing it. I've done it at least 4 or 5 times over the course of the time that I live here. I never was really satisfied with the work. Although they cleaned it, they were really never able to get it back to what I considered to be what the original color and the way in which the backyard and side looked around my pool. I eventually contacted the Perfect Paver Company. I saw an advertisement. I spoke to its owner, Mark. I was hesitant originally to hire them, but then once I read all the different ways in which they were able to clean travertine down to its base, I decided to go ahead and employ them. They came to the house. They worked on my house for 3 days. They did an absolute remarkable job. My wife and I are absolutely pleased with the work that they've done. It's not only back to its original color, but the men who did the work were extremely careful, knowledgeable about what they were doing, and did a perfect job in the backyard. I would recommend them highly to anyone who wanted to get their pavers or their work around the house back to its original shape.